Okay, well, just thought you'd like to know that the motor is fixed 100%. Now, the motor's worth $1,500. So we're in front, easy. So, crank her up. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just thought you might like to see that.